Recently, my main channel just got hacked, and I think I might know why. Keep watching to find out. Hi, I'm Justin from Random Tech Videos, and today I'm here to tell you that my main channel got hacked and I think I'm responsible for it. If you read the video title, you already know. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more random tech videos. But with that out of the way, let's just get into it. A few months ago, I installed or tried to install cracked software on my computer. I had been having trouble with my video editor, and so I downloaded a cracked version of DaVinci Resolve because I wanted to try the full version without having to pay for it. I know it's illegal. I should not be doing this. I know. Don't tell me that in the comments. I already know. But I downloaded it anyway, and I'm a tech guy, so I should know better. The file was setup.exe and was about 1 megabyte in size. DaVinci Resolve takes about 1 gigabyte or 2 gigabytes for the real installer. For some reason, I just thought I guess it was an online installer, and so I ran it anyway. Immediately, a virus started running in the background, and basically whenever I opened Task Manager, it would try to hide itself, but thankfully I was able to find it out because I have some that let me see my CPU usage and what programs are using the CPU. This was not detected by the virus, so I was able to see what the program was. I immediately ran many antivirus software and was able to remove it, or so I thought. However, for a while, there was still a single threaded application running in the background. The original virus used up all my CPU cores, and so it was obvious that there was a virus. But this other one ran very stealthily using only one CPU core when there was not activity for more than 5 minutes. I believe that a keylogger had been installed on my computer, and then this virus was uploading it to the internet because this only happened when I was connected to the internet. As soon as I got the viruses, I thought it would be a good idea. I might as well change my YouTube passwords for my login, but I ended up not doing that because I just got lazy and didn't want to have to memorize a new password. That was the biggest mistake of my life. Okay, maybe not quite, but almost. Now, about 2 weeks ago, from the time you are seeing this video, my channel got hacked. 5 videos were uploaded to my channel concerning downloading cracked software. And I see the connection here. This cracked software was probably from those who hacked my computer because I installed a virus. Thankfully, I was still able to log into my YouTube channel, and so I immediately changed all my passwords and deleted those videos, but unfortunately, I deleted those videos too quickly. What I should have done is, instead of panicking and just delete them, I should have made them private, and then I could analyze the videos and see if I could track down who it was from, but I was stupid and I just deleted them immediately because that was my first instinct. The only proof I have that my channel got hacked is 2 things. Right up here, I'm showing a screenshot I took since I was subscribed to my main channel from another channel. I have the screenshot showing that 2 of the videos were uploaded to my channel from my notifications. One other piece of evidence I had that my channel was hacked is that some of my fans said that my other channel, this channel you're watching right now, said it had 18 million subscribers, which subscribe to this channel so I can get there, but I do not have 18 million subscribers, so my viewers were telling me that this channel reported as that, and this channel is on the same Google account as my other channel. So long story short, this all happened, I believe, because I installed supposedly cracked software on my computer that was in reality a virus. There are some legitimate cracked software. I do not recommend installing them, but basically, you know for certain something's a virus if you try to get cracked software, and first of all, it tries to redirect you to obviously scam websites, and then when you finally get to download the file, it's just called setup.exe or something like that. So I would never recommend downloading cracked software. Please learn from my mistake and don't repeat this yourself. Don't have to have your accounts hacked. I'm only 17, so I don't have bank accounts. But if I was older, if I had credit cards and stuff like that, who knows what they could have done. So just don't download cracked software. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. Please also subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. And until my next video, goodbye.